Did you know that most Americans lose an average of $111,000 due to a single yet significant mistake when filing for Social Security benefits? It's a staggering fact that raises a crucial question. Why does this happen? Navigating the Social Security system is no small feat. With its complexity and the myriad of filing decisions tied to personal factors like health, savings, and marital history, it's no wonder many find themselves overwhelmed. Often, people turn to neighbors or friends for advice, not realizing that each individual's situation is unique and what worked for one may not work for another. You think taxes are complicated? Try figuring out Social Security benefits, says Forbes magazine. And they're not wrong. The Social Security Handbook alone boasts over 2,700 entries, covering topics from getting remarried to black lung benefits, leaving many Americans underinformed before making their filing decisions. Moreover, Social Security office employees, while knowledgeable, are restricted from offering personalized advice. This lack of guidance contributes to a significant issue. Last year alone, more than 13 million households received lower payments than they deserved, all because of one misguided choice. This is precisely why we're here today. Understanding that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to retirement planning, our workshop is designed to demystify the Social Security system for you. We aim to empower you with the knowledge and tools needed to make informed decisions tailored to your unique circumstances. Join us and take the first step towards securing the benefits you rightfully deserve.